Hello students, in this video we will discuss some problem from exercise 8C. So let's start. Question number 5.3. So here is given if 2 log a base 3 is equal to 5x minus 3y. Then find a in term of m and n. Find a in term of m and n. So which things are given? Firstly write those things. Here is given log m base 3 is equal to x and log n base 3 is equal to y. So if you convert this logarithmic form to exponential form, so this will be 3 to the power x is equal to m happen, and this will be 3 to the power y is equal to n happen. Now you have to convert a in term of m and n. So log a base 3 is equal to, here is given 5x minus 3y. So these two will go to the power of a, so that will be a square happen is equal to 5x minus 3y. Now if you convert this logarithmic form to exponential form, that will be 3 to the power 5x minus 3y is equal to a square. So we know that a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So this will be 3 to the power 5x by 3 to the power 3y is equal to a square. Now you can convert 3 to the power 5x is equal to, you can write 3 to the power x whole to the power 5, and 3 to the power 3y given, this one you can write 3 to the power y whole to the power 3 is equal to a square. So 3 to the power x is equal to, we know that m, so you can write in the place of 3 to the power m x m, so m to the power 5, and in the place of 3 to the power y you can write here n, so n to the power 3 happen is equal to a square. Now a square is equal to m to the power 5 divided by n cube, so a is equal to, you can write here root over m to the power 5 divided by n cube. So this is our solution. So because they are asking you find a in term of m and n, so here we are already find a in term of m and n. Now go to our next problem, question number 7. So question number 7 is given here log a plus b is equal to log a plus log b. So log a plus b, log a plus log b means it will be log ab. So both side log will be cancel out, so a plus b is equal to ab happen. Now you have to find a in term of b, so keep the a's in one side, so a minus ab is equal to minus b. So if you take common a from here, you will get here 1 minus b is equal to minus b. So a is equal to minus b by 1 minus b. So if you take common minus from here, so minus or minus will be cancelled out, and here it will be b by b minus a. So this is our answer. Now go to next problem, question number 8. So question number 8 is given here, prove that log a whole square minus log b whole square is equal to log a by b into log ab. So LHS is log a square minus log b whole square. So what is the formula of a square minus b square? That will be a plus b into a plus b a minus b. So here a is represent log a, so log a plus log b into log a minus log b. So log a plus addition of logarithm, that will be multiplication of logarithm happen, and division subtraction of logarithm, that will be division of logarithm. So you can write this one as log a by b into log ab. So this is our answer. RHS proved. Now in this way you can solve left of the problem in question number 8. Thank you everyone.